Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Mehboob. Today I am going to explain polynomials, class 10, one of the important chapter, polynomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms, many terms. A mathematical expression which contains many terms, that is known as polynomials. Based on the terms and the degree, polynomials are various types. First of all, we see based on the terms, and the second one based on the degrees. Any mathematical expression contains single term like 2x, 3y, 4z, only single term. This is known as monomial. Okay. If any mathematical expression contains two terms like 2x plus 5, 7x plus 9, so it have how many terms? Clearly it have two terms. This is known as binomial. Similarly, any mathematical expression which contain three terms like x square plus 5x plus 6. So how many terms? 1, 2, 3. This is known as what? Trinomial. So based on the terms, monomial single term, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, and more than three terms, this is known as multinomial. So what we learn, every monomial is a polynomial, every binomial is a polynomial, every trinomial is a polynomial, every multinomial is also a polynomial. Okay, based on degree we have to see. What is the meaning of degree? Degree is nothing but highest power of variable. Highest power of a variable, that is known as degree. Example, sir, if any term have, any mathematical expression have degree 1, suppose example 2x plus 5. What is the variable? X is a variable. So what is the power of x? There is no number, means power is 1. If the power is 1, means this is known as linear polynomial. A polynomial degree 1. A polynomial degree 1. Linear. Second example, 2x square plus 5x plus 8. So what is the degree, sir? Highest power of variable is 2. So degree 2, which means this is known as quadratic polynomial. Okay, any mathematical expression which have degree 3, 3x power 3 plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4. So what is the highest power, sir? Here highest power is 3. This is known as cubic polynomial. Another one, suppose example 7x power 4 plus 8x square plus 9. So what is the highest power of variable? Here highest power of variable is 4. So what is the degree? Degree is 4. So degree 4 means this is known as biquadratic polynomial. So polynomial means, poly means many, nomial means expression. Any mathematical expression containing many terms. Based on the terms, polynomials are various type. If any polynomial have a single term, this is known as monomial. Any mathematical expression have two terms, this is known as binomial. Any mathematical expression contain three terms, this is known as trinomial. Similarly, based on the degree, polynomial also divided on the basis of degree. The first one, degree means what? Degree means highest power of a variable. So here in this example 2x plus 5, what is a variable? X is a variable. So what is the power of x? Power of x is 1. So what is the degree 1? Degree 1 means what? Linear polynomial. In the second case, we have seen that 2x square plus 5x plus 8. So what is the highest power of x here? 2, which means quadratic polynomial. In the third case, we are seeing that highest power of 3, so that is what? Cubic polynomial. In the fourth case, we are seeing that highest power 4, which means what? Biquadratic polynomial. So these are the based on the terms and degree types of polynomial. After that, we have to see, identify the given expression is a polynomial or not. Identify given expression is a polynomial or not. Suppose example first case, p of x is equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 6. Another example, p of x is equal to 1 upon 2x square plus 5x plus 6. Another example, p of x is equal to 2x power minus 2 plus 5x plus 6. Another example, p of x is equal to 2x power 3 by 2 plus 7 5x plus 6. So we have a 4 example. In these 4 examples, we have to identify the given expression, which one is a polynomial. Clearly in case 1 we are seeing that the highest power of a variable is 2, which means degree of this polynomial is 2, and the 2 is what? Positive integer. 2 is what? Positive integer. So in this case we can say that this is a polynomial. Yes, polynomial of degree 2. Polynomial of degree 2. In the second case we are seeing that but it is a polynomial but comes in the denominator. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. In third case, we are seeing that the power of the variable in negative integer. If any variable have the power negative integer, it is also not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Okay. In the fourth case, power of the variable in the form of p by q means rational power. So in this case also it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Another examples are fourth and fifth one. P of x is equal to 2x power 2 root x plus 7x plus 6. Otherwise plus 5x plus 6, same example. In this case also we are having the power of the variable is what? Root. So it is also not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Among these 5 cases, clearly observe that the first case, the highest power of a variable positive integer means polynomial. This expression, if come in the denominator, so it is not a polynomial. Power of the variable negative integer, it is not a polynomial. Power of the variable, it is a rational means p by q form, it is not a polynomial. Power of the variable in again square root, so it is not a polynomial. Okay, after seeing the identification of polynomial, we have to check the value of a polynomial. Our next topic is value of a polynomial. Suppose example we have p of t is equal to t cube minus 1. P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. What is the value of p of 1? So I am going to substitute instead of t, I am going to substitute 1. So clearly p of 1 is equal to instead of t 1 power 3 minus 1. So we are observing that 1 power 3, 1 multiply 3 times, we get 1 only. So we have 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 what? 0. So here, what is the value of a polynomial? P of 1 is equal to 0. Another example, P of x is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 6. Find P of minus 2. So what is the value of P of minus 2? Same substitution method, we have to remove x, in place of x we have to take minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 power 2 plus 7 into again x. What is x value here? Minus 2. Wherever we find minus 2, we should write. Wherever we find x, we should write minus 2. So similarly here 2 into minus power 2. 2 is a even integer. So minus power is even means we will get answer in positive. So 2 into 2 what? 4. Plus into minus minus 7 2s are 14 plus what one? 6. So 2 4s are what? 8 minus 14 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 what? 14. 14 minus 14 what? Which is equal to 0. So what is P of minus 2? Again we get the answer 0. So what is the value of a polynomial? P of minus 2 is 0. Here we have another topic which is known as zero of a polynomial. In set of variables, suppose p of x is equal to ax plus b, and we have to find out p of minus b by a, minus b by a. We have to find the value of p of minus b by a, which means in place of x we have to take minus b by a into minus b by a plus b. So we have cancel plus a minus a, and what we have? Minus b plus b. Plus b minus b can cancel, what we have? 0. So we can say that p of minus b by a means minus b by a is a zero of a polynomial. Okay, here also p of 1 is 0 means 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. P of minus 2 is equal to 0 means minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Similarly, in this case, linear polynomial, because degree is 1, p of x is equal to ax plus b. So we are substituting in place of x minus b by a. We will get the answer 0, which means minus b by a is a 0 of a polynomial. So you student, you have to remember, if degree 1 linear polynomial, we have only 1 0. If degree 2 we have 2 zeros, degree 3 we have 3 zeros, whatever degree may be, the zeros will be equal to the degree only. So I hope you understood today class. Please like and share and subscribe my channel MA Elisa Maths. Thank you so much.